Here's a workflow where when you click a button here, it will import email conversations with a particular person into the CRM activity. So the way that this works is we have an email address here and we have a workflow over here. So the first stage of the workflow is when a button's clicked. And we can choose the board, and we're going for our contacts, and we're going for our import emails button. And the next stage is to add an action. So our action is import Outlook emails into activities. And we're going to choose some credentials. We've already got some here, but we can log in. We've got the board and we've got the item from step 1. Now we're going to choose the email column and update the workflow. Okay, so if we now go over to our contacts, we can press import emails and we can see that this is running and it says it's completed. So what we're expecting is all emails between us and this email address here will now be populated within the activity. And we can see here that we have, if we go back, we can see this one. This is the first one. They're applying for a role. So they're emailing the hiring manager, and you can see it's from them and it's to me. And the next one, if we read that, we can see that we have the reply and also we have the former email trail in there. And we can go up and we can see a little bit more. So yeah, this is a neat way of collecting emails out of Microsoft 365 Outlook and populating them into your CRM activities.